What is screen refresh rate? Ever noticed some phone feels more premium than others? And the secret is the screen's refresh rate. Refresh rate is how many times your screen updates every second. 60 Hz means 60 times per second, and 120 Hz means 120 times per second. So, how it was created? It originally came from TV and monitors, but smartphones adopted it for scrolling and for gaming. So, why do we need it? Our eyes love smooth motion. Higher refresh rate reduces blur, improves animation quality, and feel more responsive. So, how does it solve the problem? It updates the images faster, so everything scrolling, gaming, and animations looks fluid instead of choppy. Advantages are smooth gaming, premium feel, and the scrolling is better. While disadvantages are it uses more battery and not all the apps uses the high screen refresh rate. So tell me, is your phone 60 Hz, 90 Hz, or 120 Hz? And follow for more to know